Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language in Wise, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise on in the screen, where you can see your profile name at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click on that profile name and now you can see the settings option at the third. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to the settings section, where you can see the language setting at the bottom of this screen. So once you click on that language settings option, you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see select your default language over here. So just click on this option and now you can change your language from here successfully. Let me click on the English US to show you a demo, and now finally click on the save, and yeah, you'll be able to change your language successfully. So basically this is how you can change your language in Wise, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.